Welcome aboard, everyone. You're watching Seven Seas, your go-to channel for all things maritime. Today, we have breaking news on a significant incident in the maritime world, which happened on 19th July 2024 at Singapore. So, let's get started. On July 19th, these two vessels collided approximately 25 nautical miles northeast of Tanjung Balau, Johor. The Hafnia Nile, an oil products tanker carrying naphtha en route to Kashima, Japan, collided with the anchored Ceres 1, which was awaiting repairs. The port side of the Hafnia Nile struck the starboard bulbous bow of the Ceres 1, resulting in a fire on both vessels. The impact broke the starboard anchor chain of the Ceres 1, causing it to drift. Fortunately, all 22 crew members of the Hafnia Nile were safely rescued by the Singapore Navy's RSS Supreme and are currently being treated in Singapore. Meanwhile, the crew of the Ceres 1, a chemical oil products tanker heading to Lanshan, China, remain on board their vessel. It's important to note that none of the crew members are Malaysians. The Malaysian Marine Department, led by Director General Halim Ahmed, is investigating the incident under the Merchant Shipping Ordinance 1950-260. Preliminary investigations have revealed no oil spill, and a comprehensive search and rescue operation was launched involving aerial assets from the Malaysian Maritime Enforcement Agency, the Air Force, and the Marine Police. On July 21st, the Ceres 1 was found approximately 30 nautical miles northeast of Pulau Tioman, being towed by two tugboats from Singapore. Initial reports claiming that the vessel left the scene were inaccurate, as all systems, including the automatic identification system, were non-operational. Both vessels have been impounded as the investigation continues. We'll keep you updated on any new developments in this case. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay informed with Seven Seas. Until next time, stay safe and keep sailing smoothly.